last thing we have, tip number four, is around recurring loyalty. Okay, so you've got a business profile. People are finding you on Google. They're clicking into your website. They're compelled by what you have. They're booking an appointment with you, right? They're seeing your posts on social. Awesome. Now, how do you get recurring business from those people that come into your business and get a service from you? So we've got a handful of tips around this. And the real reason why this is so important is, today people have more options than ever before. And attention spans are also, shorter than they've ever been. So if you don't stay top of mind for even your existing business, you're going to lose it. We're seeing more than ever before a dip in, well, first of all, an extension in time between appointments, and also a dip in, businesses that are losing their client book. And those people are going elsewhere, right? So you need to stay top of mind. You got to do a lot of other things within your business, of course, to make sure they're happy. But on an online basis, there's a handful of things that you can do. So here's what we recommend. First of all, some sort of loyalty program. Doesn't have to be a discount, right? It could just be something. It could be a gift that goes to a person that's done 10 appointments with you, or if they do 5 appointments within the first 6 months. There could be different types of loyalty programs that you do to reward people, and even if that's just a client shout out on social media saying, "Oh, this is this person has been working with me for the last 6 months, and we're just so happy to work with them. They're such an incredible human," right? Shouting them out is great hack for getting more content for social, an excuse to engage with people, and a great way to build loyalty over time. That segues well into the email and text marketing. If you have the time, right, the next best thing you can do beyond setting yourself up to get clients is to reach out every month, every couple months, and just check in with them. You see a lot of people saying that they text folks, the email folks. That's great. We got to do that, right, to stay top of mind, because people will forget. And especially if you're a sole operator, relationships are everything between you and that person. It is your job, right, to stay on top of their mind and make sure that you're remembering the things that matter about them. Is the service industry at the end of the day, they care about that. It's a relationship driven industry too. Gift cards is another thing that you can do. It's an easy thing. You lose nothing by setting up a gift card program and adding that to your website, and driving people towards it, especially around holidays. Recommending that people buy that as gifts for their friends. It's a great way to get someone through the door for the first time. And then we already talked about collecting feedback. We want to get as much feedback as we can from your best customers, to know the areas that you can continue to invest in to get more people like them. And you can tell them, look, I love working with you. You're the exact type of person I want to work with 100 times out of 100. What is it that you like about me? What is it that you like about my business? And what don't you like? What could be better? How can I improve my experience for you so that I can get more people like you?